Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Facebook showing only reel videos in watch video icon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So there are some things that can cause that issue. So first let's open our Facebook and let's go to this watch video section. And right over here you can see we have this particular video popping up over here. Let me scroll and I will have another video. So now if you're only getting a reels kind of video, but if you want to watch something else different, then you have to make sure what you keep on watching, creating your watch time, and what kind of videos you're liking. If you're seeing reels often, make sure to refresh continuously till you get the kind of videos that you want to watch. Only watch them and only like them. That will show the Facebook that those kind of videos only you like to watch, and they will continuously show you. Now if that doesn't help either, you can simply go ahead, close this app and then reopen it again. Otherwise, you can also go to your app store and you're going to go to your search bar, type in Facebook, and make sure you simply update your app. That sometimes simply solve out so many problems. You can see it also ask for update. Tap on the update option, it will re-downloading itself, and that is it. You will be able to simply have a new reel section for you to watch. And that is basically sums up. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.